students, welcome to our YouTube channel JV the Mentor. Today topic is permutations and combinations for JEE and MSET. The concept is the exponent of p in n factorial. The exponent of p in n factorial, that is denoted by EP of n factorial. Exponent of p in n factorial is denoted by EP of n factorial, where p is a prime number and n is a positive integer. P is a prime number and n is a positive integer. Okay, now see some examples. First one is the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. How to find the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial? Exponent of 3 in 100 factorial ante 100 factorial lo 3 power. How much? What is the power of 3? That means, okay na? Exponent of 3 means the power of 3 is, okay na? Now the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial, okay na? Now this equal to integral part of 100 by 3 plus integral part of 100 by 3 square plus integral part of 100 by 3 cube plus integral part of 100 by 3 power 4 plus integral part of 100 by 3 power 5 up to ఎంతవరకు రాయాలి అంటే డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ గ్రేటెస్ట్ వాల్యూ దాన్ ద న్యూమరేటర్ అంతవరకు రాయాలండి. ఇక్కడ 100 by 3 power 4 అంటే 81, 3 power 5 ఈజ్ ద గ్రేటర్ వాల్యూ ఫర్ న్యూమరేటర్ దాన్ న్యూమరేటర్. సో ఇంతవరకు స్టాప్ చేయాలండి. నౌ ఇంటెగ్రల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ 100 by 3, 100 by 3, 100 divided by 3 is 33.3. Now 100 by 3 square, 3 square is 9. Now 100 by 9 is 11.1. So 100 by 3 cube is 27. 100 by 27 is 3.7 plus 100 by 81. 100 by 81 is 1.2 plus 100 by 3 power 5 is 0 point something. Denominator value highest kadandi, kabatti 0 point something vastund anamata. Now integral part of 33.3 in this, what is the integral part? 33 is integral part. So 33. In this, what is the integral part here? 11. Plus what is the integral part here? 3. Plus what is the integral part here? 1. What is the integral part? 0 point something in 0. Now total is how much here? 33, 44, 48. So adding these all, then we will get 48. So the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial is 48. Okay na? That is enough. Next, see another problem. The exponent of second one, the exponent of exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. Exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. Okay. Now here 5 is a prime number. 5 is a prime number. Now we will find the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. Okay na? Write down. So integral part of 100 by 5 plus integral part of 100 by 5 square plus integral part of 100 by 5 cube like this, plus and so on. But here 5 cube is 125. This is the greatest value than numerator. Stop here. Now this is equal to integral part of 100 by 5, that is 20. Now integral part of 100 by 5 square is 25. 100 by 25 is 4. Here and 100 by 125. Here 0.4. 0 point something. That means 0.4. Okay. So integral part of 20 is 20. Plus integral part of 4 is 4. Plus integral part of 0.4. In this 0.4, what is the integral part? 0. Now the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial is 20 plus 4, that is 24. So the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial is 24. Okay. Next we will go to next problem. Series third one. The exponent of 15 in 100 factorial. Exponent of 15 in 100 factorial. But here 15 is not a prime number. First the 15 can be written as the product of two prime factors. The product of prime factors. So 15 is not a prime number. So 15 can be written as the product of prime numbers. So 15 can be written as 3 into 5. 3 is a prime number and also 5 is also prime number. First we will find the exponent of 3 and then the exponent of 5. Okay, na? First we will find the exponent of 3. The exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. Okay, na? The exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. అంటే ఇక్కడ exponent of 15 in 100 factorial అంటే 15 is not a prime number. బట్ డెఫినేషన్ ఏంటంటే ఇది 15 అనేది ప్రైమ్ నెంబర్ కావాలి కదా, కానీ 15 is not a prime number. So 15 can be written as the product of prime numbers. Product of prime numbers రాశాను. And then we will find the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial and then the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. What is the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial? Previous problem లో చేసాం చూడండి. The exponent of 3 in 100 factorial. What is the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial? That is 48. The exponent of 3 in 100 factorial is 48. Next we will find the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. What is the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial? What is the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial? Previous problem lo chesam chudandi. Exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. How much? 24. The exponent of 5 in 100 factorial is 24. Now we will find the exponent of 15 in 100 factorial. The exponent of 15 in 100 factorial is minimum value of exponent of 3 in 100 factorial and exponent of 5 in 100 factorial. What is the exponent of 3 in 100 factorial? 48. What is the exponent of 5 in 100 factorial? 24. What is the minimum value of these two? 24. 24 is the minimum value. So the exponent of 15 in 100 factorial is 24. Okay, na? Understood? Okay, thank you. Okay, students. Now we will go to next problem. Next, find the number of zeros at the end of 50 factorial. Find the number of zeros. Find the number of zeros at the end of 50 factorial. Okay, now that means the exponent of 10 in 100 factorial. Okay, now we will find the exponent of 10 in 100 factorial. Okay, we will find exponent of 10 in 50 factorial. Okay, now here 10 is not a prime number. Now 10 can be written as the product of prime numbers. Okay, now 10 can be written as 2 into 5. Okay, 2 is a prime number, 5 is also prime number. Now we will find the exponent of 2 and the exponent of 5. Now the exponent of 10 is minimum of the exponent of 2 and the exponent of 5. Okay, write down. Now the exponent of 2. The exponent of 2 in 50 factorial. Okay, that can be written as integral part of 50 by 2 plus integral part of 50 by 2 square plus integral part of 50 by 2 cube plus integral part of 50 by 2 power 4 plus integral part of 50 by 2 power 5. 2 power 5 is 32 plus integral part of 50 by 2 power 6. అంటే ఎంతవరకు రాయాలి అంటే డినామినేటర్ వాల్యూ హైయెస్ట్ వాల్యూ వచ్చే వరకు కంటిన్యూగా చేయాలండి. ఓకేనా, ప్లస్ రిమైనింగ్ వాల్యూస్ అన్ని జీరో అయిపోతాయి. నా ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ దిస్ ఈక్వల్ టు 50 by 2 is 25. ఓకేనా, ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ 50 by 4 is 12.5. సో ఇంటిగ్రల్ పార్ట్ ఆఫ్ 50 by 8, 2 cube అంటే ఎంతండి 8. 50 by 8 అంటే that means 6.2. So integral part of 250 by 2 power 4. 2 power 4 is 16. 50 by 16 అంటే 3.1 plus integral part of 50 by 2 power 5. 2 power 5 that means 32. 50 by 32 is 1.5 plus integral part of 50 by 64. 2 power 6 అంటే 64, that is 0 point something వస్తుంది. ఓకే, 0 point something. Now write the integral part of 25. Integral part of 25 is 25. Integral part of 12.5 is 12. Integral part of 6.2 is 6. Integral part of 3.1 is 3. Integral part of 1.5 is 1. Plus integral part of 0 point something is 0. Now adding these. Now here 4, 10, 22, 25. ఎంతండి 47. So the exponent of 2 in 50 factorial is 47. Now we will find the exponent of 5 in 50 factorial. E550. Now this can be written as integral part of 50 by 5 plus integral part of 50 by 5 square plus integral part of 50 by 5 cube. 5 cube is 125. It is a greater value than numerator. So stop there. Integral part of 50 by 5, that is 10, plus integral part of 50 by 5 square is 25. 50 by 25 is 2. Integral part of 50 by 125, that is 0 point something. So integral part of 10 is 10 plus integral part of 2 is 2 plus integral part of 0 point something is 2. 0. So 10 plus 2 is 2. 10 is 12. 10 plus 2 is 12. So exponent of 5 in 100 factorial is 12. Now we will find the exponent of 10. Exponent of 10 in 50 factorial equal to minimum of exponent of 2. What is the exponent of 2? 47. What is the exponent of 5? 12. What is the minimum value of 47 and 12? That equal to 12. So the exponent of 10 in 50 factorial is 12. That means the number of zeros at the end of 50 factorial is 12. Ends 12 zeros untayandi. Okay na? This is very very important one for JEE. Okay. Thank you. Please subscribe our channel.